How to create custom product pages in Squarespace. To do that, head over right here to your website, head over right here to your pages, and then go right here to your store. From there, click onto this edit option. Now, once you have done that, here's our particular part, which is our actual product page. So if you want, you can head over and then just go to a particular page right here for your product. Alternatively, you can also just select a product page that you want to edit. So for this one, we have in here this detail page. So you can choose in here a part. It can be a full, wrap, half, simple part, or custom page. So for example, for this one, I'll choose in here this half. And then once it's been added, we have in here a custom product page in Squarespace. So from there, you can click on this edit right here and you can click on this edit design if you want to edit some few things. So for example, you want to put the add to cart option just below. You can move that later on. Now for this one, you can also edit out some more things from your site. So that's how you create custom product pages in Squarespace. Hope you helped.